The sync past error in Google Chrome signs you out every time you reopen the browser, preventing your bookmarks, password, history, and other data from syncing properly. Fixing it keeps you signed in and also maintains that all your bookmarks and shortcuts and data are synced seamlessly across your device. As you just saw that I canceled the browser and reopened it, and all the bookmarks and my shortcuts are still there, including my data. So in this video, I will show you a quick steps to fix this problem. So let's get started. At the very right top there, you can see a three dot here. If you click on it, at the very bottom, you will see settings. Click on settings, and then at our left panel, there is an option called privacy and security. If I click on privacy and security, at the very end, there is an option called site settings. Let's click on this site settings, and after that, if you just scroll down, there is an option called additional content settings. If I click on this drop down menu and zoom a little bit, then I would see that there is an option called on device side data. And if I click on device side data, then now it gives me some options that is allow sites to save data on device, delete data sites, and don't allow sites to save data. You have to make sure that your allow sites to save data on your device is checked marked, and just below that there is an option allowed to save data on your device. If you click on add here, you can just simply write here accounts.google.com and press add. Okay, so it allows your Google accounts to get added and save data on your device, and all you need to do now is just cancel Chrome and then just restart it. But even if you face trouble there, then you can again click on privacy and security, and then there is an option under privacy and security that is delete browsing data. If you click on delete browsing data, you can just for one time click on more and select all time from here and make sure that all these boxes are checkmarked, and then delete your data. And that's it. All you need to do now is just cancel Chrome and just relaunch it. That's it. Hopefully one of this method fixed the sync past error. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.